Hi friends, in this video we are going to see what are VirtualBox guest additions, from where to download it, and how to add it to a Windows Server 2012 operating system that is installed in the virtual machine. So first of all, what are VirtualBox guest additions? Guest additions are some extra bits of software that you install in the operating system that you're virtualizing. The operating system you installed in the virtual machine is called the guest OS, and the one in your system that you boot in every time you turn the system on is called the host OS. This is where the name guest additions comes from. They are additions to the guest OS. Installing the guest additions enables various extra features that are already built into the VirtualBox, and these include mouse pointer integration, shared folders where we can exchange files between the host and the guest, better video support, seamless windows, better time synchronization with the host, shared clipboard where clipboard of the guest OS can be optionally shared with the host OS, automated logons, etc. Now let us see from where to download the VirtualBox guest additions. For that, I need you to copy this link. Copy, paste it here. Okay. So this is the link that you get. Here you will get the index of VirtualBox. Let us download the latest version. Let's see, the latest version is 2018 10th May 5.2.12. Okay, click here and you get the complete list, and here it is. VirtualBox guest additions. Where is the VirtualBox? Yeah, here it is. VirtualBox guest additions 5.1.5.2.12. Click that, and okay, it has started downloading the ISO file. Okay, let us download that, and then go to your VirtualBox, virtual machine, type in the password, now in order to install the downloaded VirtualBox guest additions to this machine, what we are going to do is click devices, here insert guest additions CD image. Usually when you click that, a pop-up window should come asking you what to do with the CD drive and everything, but don't worry if it doesn't come. The other way is go to your file explorer, the computer, and here the CD drive. Yeah, so now the CD drive has the VirtualBox guest additions. Actually, once we click this insert guest additions CD image, what happens is that ISO image that we have downloaded comes into this CD drive, and open it. Here you can see that you have VirtualBox additions application 3 types, and let us read for 64-bit. Here there is a readme file, open that, and here it says for the 64-bit drivers, VirtualBox guest additions, we have to download and install this AMD 64. Okay, close it. Okay, so this is the one that we have to run. So double click here. Next. Now where to install it? Click next and give install. So it will start installing the GuestAdditions. And once it is done, it will ask whether to reboot, and we have to reboot it in order to get the features. So reboot it now, or I want to manually reboot. You have two options, so I'm giving it as reboot now. So finish. Now it will reboot this virtual machine environment and the work is done. Okay, we'll see you later with the next video. Take care. Bye bye.